Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change iPhone messages from green to blue. So guys, if you want to change your iPhone messages from green to blue, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, basically to change your iPhone messages from green to blue, you have to simply turn on iMessage in your settings. So guys, you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below all the way and go to apps, and from here go to messages from here, and then you have to turn on the toggle for iMessage if it is off. So guys, you have to basically turn on iMessage on your Apple device to turn on blue messages on your Apple device, because if you send messages through iMessage then it will be shown in blue, and if you simply send a message without internet connection or a simple text message, it will be shown in green bubbles. So guys, you can see this, you can see all the bubbles. You can send your message via iMessage, and you can also send a simple text message which will be shown in green box or green bubble. So guys, in this way you can also turn your message from green to blue. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.